Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna do the one and only rock and roll song, Love Shack.
Yeah, gonna do Love Shack, everybody.
That's it.
Love Shack.
Let's echo in here. If you see a big sign at the side of the road that says 15 miles to the Love Shack. Hey, Love Shack, yeah.
Great singer.
I'm heading down the banana highway.
Yeah, get down now.
Looking for the love getaway. Headed for the love getaway.
I got me a car, it's bigger than well, and it's about to set sail. So hop in my Chrysler, it seats about 20. Hurry up and bring your jukebox money.
Love Shack is a little old place where we can get together.
Here we can.
Love Shack, baby.
Love Shack, baby.
Love Shack,
Baby, that's where it's at.
Love Shack,
Baby, that's where it's at.
Love Shack,
Baby,
Love
where it's at.
Love Shack,
Baby,
Love
where it's at. Sign says,
Woo!
stay away, fool. Love rules at the Love Shack. Well, it's set way back in the middle of a field, just a funky old shack, and I gotta get back. Later on the roadside, later on the expressway, later on the sidewalk, later down the hallway.
The Love Shack is a little old place where we can get together.
Everybody, get together.
Love Shack, baby.
Love Shack, baby.
Love Shack, baby. Love Shack. Love Shack,
Baby,
baby. Love
that's
Shack.
where it's at.
Love Shack,
Baby, that's where it's at.
Love Shack,
Baby, that's where it's at. All right, how many people feel like partying out there? Say yeah. All right, I want this side of the room to say ah. I want this other side of the room to say E. Put them together, and that's how we party in Louisiana. We say ah. Knock a little louder, baby.
Did you hear something, Looney?
It's the police. Hey,
I heard something.
knock a little louder, sugar. What'd you say, officer? I can't hear you. On the floor, baby. On the floor, sir. Don't shoot me now. Your what? Tin roof. Rusted.
Baby, Love Shack. Love Shack, baby, Love Shack.
Okay, we're gonna fix that right away, officer.
Baby, Love Shack. Love Shack, baby,
Turn the stereo down. Oh, we don't have to turn the stereo down. All right, we can party all day. All right. Are you having fun yet? Okay. See you later.
Well, howdy, folks. I'd like to invite y'all to take a tour of Jack's Animatronics Warehouse in St. Joseph, Missouri. Yeah, and I'm Looney Bird, and we're here to tell you that after 4 years of working on it, Jack's got this show in perfect condition. Yeah, the Rock-afire explosion is now viewable in all its glory. Every single element of the show has been meticulously restored. Everything, all the way down to the feathers on my beak. You don't have any feathers on your beak, Looney Bird. They're sort of on beside your beak. You know what I'm saying?